Welcome to today's featured property. My name is Amado Romero with eXp Realty. Today's property is a homeowner's dream, completely renovated from top to bottom, located in the beautiful Melrose Park in the city of Plantation. Let's go take a look. Welcome, come on in. This house features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a laundry room, a spacious backyard, and a covered carport. Let's go check out the kitchen. Look at this beautiful all-white kitchen with the stainless steel appliances, and they even have European hinges. Check this out. Amazing. Here we have the laundry room with the LG washer and dryer. We also even added some more cabinetry here for more space. Let's go check out the backyard. This backyard is completely spacious to host many future parties and even install a pool. Let's go check out the rest of the house. You have an entrance here to your covered carport. Who doesn't like to pull up into their covered carport, especially when it's raining? Let's go check out the rest of the house. Once again, you have this beautiful spacious living room area. Of course, you have a Florida room right here with this beautiful view of the windows on both sides. Let's go check out the rooms. Here you have the first room, hurricane impact windows, brand new windowsill, and of course, brand new flooring throughout the entire home. Look at this beautiful remodeled bathroom, all white with the great vanity. It's an amazing bathroom. I love this bathroom. Here you have the second bedroom with the impact windows with a brand new windowsill. Look at all that natural light that comes into this bedroom. Let's go check out the last bedroom. Here you have the third bedroom with the impact windows on both sides, brand new windowsill, and of course you have a full bathroom. Let's go check out the bathroom. Look at this beautiful bathroom with the stand-in shower. Can't beat that. Once again, this house features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a covered carport, a laundry room, and a spacious backyard. If you're interested, please contact us. The information is here at the bottom. My name is Amado Romero with eXp Realty. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a blessed day.